Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation at JFD has called a 48-hour statewide general strike from the midnight of August 18 to demand that the government defer the census until the NRC is updated. JFD convener Jitendra Ningomba announced the decision to media persons during a press meet held at the Wall United Youths Club in Wangkai Angom Lekai this afternoon. Speaking at the press meet, Jitendra stated that the government's disregard for the JFD's demand to defer the census until the Manipur NRC is updated has forced the committee to launch the statewide ban. He decried the government's insistence on pushing ahead with the census despite stiff public opposition, noting that online self-enumeration commenced today. Clarifying that the general strike is not intended to cause undue hardship to the public, Jitendra added that its primary goal is to bring the voice of the people to the attention of the central government. The JFD convener also warned of intensified agitation if the government fails to heed their demands.
Community mayamgi duga kundamine mayam punna amato onasu sangsilabo khongjung ama oibnina hayeng khongjung sangsilengegi maraksida karigorumba aikoi lining laishon ga mari leinaba ana lai ga mari leinaba essential oiba kanos ga mari leinaba potadi aikoi strike sanction biriba Kangu sing madu kaksin yeng binanaba wafam ama tamjari khwaidi ge na hygienic madi sigi marak sida karigumba sarkar gi karmachari ni haidana sigi census tongna no hona modamda khwaidi saw thokang logdriba training tor putaragadi leibiri ba makai gi akhang bu kangu sing duna madubu tingnan bo hona modamda upai season na view aiba wafam simusu miyam gi ba mafam da tamjari
akoi maitai pangan hairiba Sagai jat baklaga lairiba akoi se NRC torpada akoi karigumta kiningai leite haiba simtang haijaraga laibiriba maitai pangan community punnamakna miam punnamakna JFD na kaurakliba general strike asda akoi punnamak sogatmina si haiba wafam sikatang ai tetangna thamjage
ngasi thoiba thodok khudimak se sarkar na hena daito lofam thoi haba se hainingi madu matam sana daito loroktabanina akoi ngasi gi khongjang se sangjalakpani Khongjang asi sangsilakpu matamda naga gi singi isirina khudima district khudimana naga khudimana hariba khongjang is the sogali haba wafam ase ai niti people committee gi ko convener moina aina masi haininge
census tawdringa de NRC tawgni haiba wafam si ngasi matang changsilakpu matam sida Manipur government na aikhoi gi khongjang se aikhoi gi dabi si phangdri fawba amatta oina aikhoi ning handana changminagni haibise media thung thamjari thank
concerned authority state government OBI central government OBI public na praja na pamba thabakta tawbuduna mayamgi nungsiba mayamgi apamba tawbuduna hena government gi su afaba oigani haiba wahangse habige aduga mayam pulak yelhomi khudingmak naga oibiyai maitai oibiyai kana oibiyai pumnamakna saugatpham thoi haibise JFD की डिमांड से कोई शु पुलप पुन्ना सौगिन मनसे हाइबसे हाइबजे thank you